Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a magical piece from the wizarding world that's been creating quite a buzz. The BoxLunch Loungefly Harry Potter Cognac Wand Handbag.
This isn't just any purse, it's touted as one of the best Harry Potter themed bags on the market right now.
Stick around as we explore what makes this handbag so special.
Let's start with the basics.
The BoxLunch Loungefly Harry Potter Cognac Wand Handbag is crafted from high-quality faux leather with a polyester lining, ensuring durability and a luxurious feel.
It measures approximately 12.5 inches in length, 9 inches in height, and 5 inches in depth, making it spacious enough for your daily essentials. What sets this handbag apart is its design. Inspired by the world of Harry Potter, it features subtle yet striking elements.
The exterior is adorned with a sleek cognac color that complements any outfit.
While the highlight is undoubtedly the wand-shaped zipper, pull a nod to the magical wands of the series.
The interior is lined with polyester, adding a practical touch to its enchanting exterior. In terms of build quality, this bag doesn't disappoint.
The polyurethane material feels sturdy yet lightweight, ideal for everyday use. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with neat stitching and attention to detail throughout. It's designed not just to look good but to withstand the rigors of daily life, a perfect blend of fashion and functionality.
Now, let's talk about versatility. Whether you're a Potterhead or simply love elegant accessories, this handbag fits the bill. It transitions seamlessly from casual outings to more formal settings. Pair it with jeans and a tee for a laid-back look, or with a dress for a night out. It adds a touch of wizarding charm to any ensemble. Wrapping up, the BoxLunch Loungefly Harry Potter Cognac Wand Handbag is more than just a fashion statement.
It's a piece of Harry Potter magic you can carry with you. From its exquisite design to its practical features, it's clear why this purse has garnered rave reviews. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift for a Potter-loving friend, this handbag is sure to delight.
And that's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed learning about this magical handbag,
don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews.
Have you used a Harry Potter-themed accessory before? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Until next time, stay stylish and stay magical.